Facing the connection problem or invalid MMI code error on WhatsApp, this issue often linked to network problems or wrong service codes. In this video, I'll walk you through the possible causes and solutions for this error. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Restart everything. First of all, close WhatsApp completely, even in the background. After that, swipe down from the top of your phone to open the control center. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This will refresh your settings. Now restart your phone. After your phone restarts, open WhatsApp and check if the issue persists. Solution 2. Check your SIM card. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and active. If you're using 2 SIMs, try using only one at a time. Simply disable one of the SIMs. After that, you can try ejecting and reinserting your SIM. First, turn off your device. Then remove the SIM tray using a pin at the bottom of the device. Take out the SIM card from the tray. Wait a few seconds. Then put the SIM card into the tray. Then put the SIM tray into the phone. After that, turn on your device. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Resetting the network settings will fix most of the glitches in your phone regarding the connections. So, go to Settings, then scroll down, tap General Management. Scroll down again, tap Reset, scroll down, and tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now tap on Reset Settings and confirm the action. This will reset your mobile network and hopefully fix the glitch. I hope this helped fix your problem. If you're still having issues, try using a different SIM card, as the problem might be with it. Also, check for any WhatsApp updates to rule out system-related issues. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching.